You may be rushing. You may be overwhelmed. But for the next few minutes, allow yourself to simply arrive here with your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's begin. You weren't expecting this trip. Maybe it came as a call in the middle of the night. Maybe plans were dropped, bags packed quickly, emotions running high. Right now, you are in between roles, between places, between heartbeats of normalcy. And that's okay. Say to yourself, I'm doing the best I can with what I have. Feel your feet against the ground or the floor beneath you. Feel the seat supporting your back. Let your breath be your anchor. Inhale. I am steady in motion. Exhale. I will meet what comes with grace. There is no right way to show up. Only your way. And your presence is already a gift. You may feel pressure to fix everything. But today, all you need to do is arrive with love. You're not just traveling. You're answering a sacred call. Say aloud or silently, I carry calm with me. I move with care for myself too. Let this breath be your pause button. Let your next step be lighter. You are not alone. You are love in motion.